Okay, I'm on day 2 here. Decided not to go to Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever, to get that foam board just because of, what's going on here. So I looked around the house, see what I had. I ended up having, from another project, this 3/4 inch styrofoam, open cell, closed cell, not sure what it is. I assume it's open cell. Had that laying around, so I ended up cutting some pieces out I cut them out the size, just a little undersized, little gap all the way around each one of these. There, did it there, all the way down there. And then I had the old spray foam, and I went in there and I spray foamed it all. One can did all that, all the way down through there. It's a little cool out today, so the can had to be warmed up. Got it all spray foamed in there, all the way around the edges. Haven't done this one yet because it's got to line up with that hole, and I don't want to get it set in place and be off an inch because there's not much flex in that pipe since it's being metal. So anyway, spray foamed it all in there, let it set up, and then kind of made sure all the gaps and kind of pushed in, filled another gap there. And I had some Roxol insulation that I use. So behind that is Roxol, which is fireproof. Put that there first, along with the old insulation. Gave it a fire break on that side. The styrofoam, spray foam. Now I'm going to get some more Roxol when I get a chance. And I'll put it up in the floor cavity and up against the wall and down. And that should seal that up and give me a nice tight insulation. And this one here, I might take that pipe off and put a flex pipe on it. I'm not sure because I really want to seal that up because that's insulation just gets pushed down. All this will be useless if I can't seal this one up here. So I got to come up with something else to do here to make this more practical. So I might take a flex pipe. I think I have some laying around here someplace. Take this off at the joint and use a flex pipe. That way, if I do get it off a 1/4 inch, I can move it around and get it where I want it. So we'll see how that's going to work out. But anyway, that's what I've got done. That'll stop a lot of air leaking to the second floor. I think I'll have to do it in another spot, but this one here, I'm going to get this done. And I'm going to put the board back up for now until I get the insulation I need. Figure out what I'm going to do here temporarily. I might just get some Roxol, go drag some more, stuff it around as much as possible, and make it work. But that's what I got going on. Day 2, like I said, nothing fancy. That's what I had laying around the house, and that should stop a lot of the air leaking that second floor. I'll find out. It's 30 degrees last night, so it's still cold this morning, but hopefully we'll test it out here in the next day or two to see how the floor feels tonight. All right, well, thanks for watching. Good luck. Be safe.